space, sometimes customers will say to us, hey, I need a phone system. So the baseline for the conversation is, hey, I need a phone system. And in some cases, they'll tell you, hey, bring me Zoom or bring me Ring Central. That's because the internet's told them those are some of the leaders in the UCaaS space. But our job is to raise that bar. So you as an agent can say, yes, Mr. Customer, I certainly can do that. But let me bring you one of the leaders that have been in the voice space for over 20 years, Momentum Telecom. And what we're going to do is we're really just going to raise that bar. We're going to take them through a series of discovery. We're going to talk about their current UC applications. Our application is built on Cisco, so they're going to have the latest, greatest technology built on a solid platform and a logo that they know. We're going to talk about faxing. We're going to talk about their LAN and WAN infrastructure. We're going to talk about their internet connectivity. We're going to talk about their firewall and where that fits into it. Maybe there's an MSP we've got to work with in that scenario. We're going to talk about their contact center and reporting and call recording and feature sets that used to be very expensive, but a contact center now for customers is very reachable from a cost perspective on a per user basis. We're going to talk about faxing, and we're going to go through just a series of discovery with that customer to make sure that when we put our proposal together, it matches what their needs are. And then on top of that, we're going to show them what our portal access is, where it is all managed via a portal, and it's a portal access where you can do reporting and access user information. And then on top of that, we're going to have our encompass the whole project with our white glove experience. Now, every install you've ever done for a phone system is very challenging. And while we still have challenges, ultimately we always land the plan safely, and we have a happy customer at the end with that phone system deployment. So the ask for the remaining part of this year and next year, when a customer says, hey, I need a phone system, of course they might say, bring me this, bring me that, because I already told them, but you as an experienced partner agent in the space, say absolutely, but let me bring you Momentum, let me bring you their experienced team in. We're going to do it via virtual or on site. We're just going to take them through a series of discoveries. Here's Momentum, here's what we do, and you know what, if we're the right fit at the end of the day and we're the vendor of choice, fantastic, let's go through that process. But again, you are just raising the bar for your customer when you bring us in. So I look forward to working with you and your customers and through this general process. So thanks again.